How to lock and hide WhatsApp chats. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to lock and hide your important WhatsApp chats for added privacy and security? If yes, then you are in the right place. Without further ado, let's learn how to lock and hide the important chats on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. Enter the conversation with the person that you wish to lock. For me, it's the first one. Tap on the name of the user at the top. Scroll down a bit. Right here, you will see the option for chat lock. Toggle on the button next to chat lock. A confirmation pop-up will appear saying keep this chat locked and hidden. Note that once you lock a chat, you will need to use face or fingerprint to open this chat and read notification on this device. For even more privacy, locked chats will be separate from other chats. Let's initiate the locking process. Tap on continue. Confirm face or fingerprint to lock the chat. Once confirmed, you can see chat log is enabled. Let's find out from where you can access the locked chats. For that, come back to chat section. At the very top here you will find a new section named as locked chats. Tap on it. You will need to confirm face or fingerprint to unlock the locked chats. Once confirmed, you will be directed to locked chats. Here you will find all the chats that you have logged, adding privacy and security to your important conversations. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to lock chats on WhatsApp. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.